Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Judy Hopps from Zootopia. She looks super adorable, so come join us for this easy step-by-step. All right everyone, let's get started with Judy Hopps from Zootopia. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw her head. So right in the middle of the paper, we're gonna draw a big curve like a rainbow. So here we have our rainbow. We have a lot of space at the top because we're gonna draw her big fluffy ears, some on the side and some on the bottom. Next, we're gonna draw her cheeks, and since she's a rabbit, she has like really chubby cheeks. So we're gonna draw a curve that comes out from here, and it kind of looks like the letter C. And then on the right side, we're gonna draw a backward C.
That's nice.
And then from here, right in the middle, we're gonna draw something that looks like the letter U or like a bowl. This is her chin. And then all we have to do is draw one line to connect these 2 points. And we'll do the same thing on the left side. And there we have the outside of her head. So now we could do the details of her face. So right in the middle of her head, what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a little short diagonal line. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. And then from these lines, we're gonna draw 2 long vertical lines. These lines stop right where the cheeks start. So from here, we could draw her nose, and her nose is attached to this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a curve like a rainbow, and it's gonna come out a little bit more than the lines.
Oh.
And then to finish her nose kind of looks like a football. So we're gonna copy that same curve right underneath, and this time instead of a rainbow, it's gonna look like a smiley face. There we have her nose. And then from here, what we could do is we could draw it like where her nostrils are gonna be. So right under this, we're gonna draw a curve that comes to a point, and then we'll do the same thing from the right side. So here we have our nose. And then from here, we could come down, and from this point, we're gonna make one short vertical line. Then from here, what we could do is we're gonna make a curve from this point of her nose. It's gonna curve out and connect to this vertical line. It's like part of her lip. And then we'll copy the same design on the left side.
Amazing.
Just like where her nose goes. And then from here, we could draw her mouth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in just a little bit, and we're just gonna make a big curve like a smile. From here, I'm actually gonna switch the marker, and I'm just gonna use a thinner one because what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw her lips, and they're really, really skinny. So we're gonna copy the same curve like a smile, and we're just gonna make it a skinny line. Just like that. And then from here, we could draw her teeth. So she has bunny teeth, and they stick out. So what we're gonna do is, right where this vertical line is, we're gonna leave some space, and I'm just gonna make one little point. And then from here, I'm gonna make a curve that connects to the top of her lip, and it kind of looks like the letter J or like a hook. And then I'll do the same thing on the left side, just the opposite way.
So cute.
So there we have her 2 little bunny teeth, and then we could do her bottom teeth. And what we could do is we're gonna make one short vertical line, come over, and then we'll do another one. And then to connect these lines, we're gonna do one horizontal line. And to split the 2 teeth, all we have to do is draw one vertical line right in the middle. And there we have our bottom teeth. Super easy. We're almost done, guys. All we have left is her eyes, her ears, and then some of her cop suit. So it's gonna be super easy. Hopefully you guys are having fun. Let's continue with her eyes. So from this point of her nose, we're gonna make a curve that goes out and connects to the side of her cheek. Just like that. We could do the same thing to the left side. And now we could draw her eyes. Judy has really big, beautiful eyes. So what we're gonna do is, right on the inside where we made this vertical line, we're gonna come up with a vertical line and then curve down as if we were gonna make a rainbow. Just like that. We took up almost the whole width, so there's just like a little bit of space on the inside and a little bit on the outside. To close off her eye, we're just gonna make one curve to connect these 2 points. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left eye.
Beautiful.
So there we have the outside of her eyes, and then the details inside her eyes. All we're gonna do is we're just gonna make one really big circle and connect it to the side closer in. So here on the right side, I'm just gonna make a circle that's attached to the left side. And the detail inside the eye is a circle right in the middle. We'll do the same thing on the left side.
That's so cool.
And there we have Judy's eyes. Look how cute she looks. She's coming along so well. What we could do is we could do her eyebrows. Right here, we're gonna draw a really short vertical line, and then we'll make a curve that goes down. And then we'll copy that same design on the bottom and just connect it. We'll do the same thing to the left side. And there we have our eyebrows. From here, we could do her neck and a little bit of her body. So right where her chin stopped, we're gonna make 2 vertical lines. To finish this off, we're gonna make one curve like a smile connecting it. And we could do the details of the collar in her neck. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down from this point with a diagonal line and then one vertical line connecting to the curve. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And there we have the collar of her uniform. From here, what we could do is we could do a curve that goes out and connects to the bottom. These are her shoulders. We'll do the same thing on the left side. And then right next to her neck, we're gonna draw one vertical line, leave some space, draw another one. We'll do the same thing on the left side. She has little straps on her suit, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one horizontal line, and from here we're gonna draw a rectangle. The rectangle was a horizontal line, 2 vertical lines, and a horizontal line to close it. Same thing on the left side now. From the outside of the rectangle, we'll continue this vertical line all the way down the paper on both sides. And from the top of the rectangle, we're just gonna make a curve to connect the 2 rectangles.
Super.
The last detail of her body is we're just gonna make a curve like we did for her arm or her shoulder down to the paper to separate her arm from her body. And we'll do the same thing on the left side. So now all we have left is her big fluffy ears. And what we're gonna do is right where we did this line, this vertical line, we're gonna make a big curve like a loop and connect it right to the side of her head. There we have one bunny ear. It's like a big loop or like a big oval, and we'll copy the same design on the left side. Sometimes I also turn the paper because it makes it just a little bit easier for me. And then the inside of her ears, all we have to do is copy the same loop. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy it on the inside part of her ear. So we're gonna come, make a loop, and as we get closer to her head, we'll make a little point. And then we'll just continue this curve and connect it to that loop we just made. We'll copy the same design on the left side. And there we have it, guys. There we have Judy Hopps from Zootopia. We're super excited to see Zootopia 2, which comes out soon. Hopefully you guys are too. So right now, all we have to do is color her in. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color her in. All right, guys, so here we have Judy Hopps from Zootopia. She looks super awesome. Her eyes are popping out. We did her suit, we did her little badge. I also did like strokes with the gray, just so it looks like fur instead of like just coloring it in. And then we did her teeth, her mouth. Hopefully you guys found it fun. Hopefully you guys found it easy, and stay tuned for more Zootopia characters. Bye guys, thank you.